On the Oru, out in the ocean. Gonna be trolling halibut, rockfish, and really whatever else we can catch. Got a new conventional reel here. I'm using this ugly stick rod. Got my friends out with us. I have my buddy actually trolling me around, towing me around until I can start paddling. But yeah, this will be fun. I got something heavy here. I don't know what it is, it's just heavy. I might be on. It just doesn't really feel like a fish. I might be on a rock. All right, we got like 5 more feet. What we got?
Lift.
I am.
Reel.
Oh, it's a halibut.
Reel.
Oh, it's a big halibut. Oh, it's a huge halibut.
It's attached to kelp. I don't know if it's deep. Nope.
It's just kelp?
It's just kelp.
Oh, no. We got so excited. Oh, hey, look at there. Wow, that is heavy. It's a big old kelp fish. Oh, it's like a ton of line. That's what it is. Well, I got some line off the rig, or the reef. Holy hell. Look at that. That's crazy. Just a ton of kelp, or line. Snags for years, man. And there's a starfish. A bunch of starfish.
They're dying.
Look at that little guy. All right, I'm gonna keep this just because, yeah, it's not good for the ocean. So keep this in the boat. So it's like, yeah, these are little brittle stars. That's sick. All right, back into the ocean for him. All right, I'm on. Probably a rockfish. From the feel of it, doesn't feel crazy big. Using a squid Trex from Nomad. Just letting it kind of troll. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah. Woo! Let's go. I don't know exactly what species this is. This may be a copper. Now, this is sick. And on the floating or foldable kayak. Wow, he got both hooks. Yeah, he was hooked well. Look at that. On the Nomad. That's sick. Let's go. All right. California. I'm fishing on the foldable kayak in California right now. Right off Santa Cruz. So in Monterey. That's awesome. Yeah, let's go, man. Let's go. You're a very okay captain. Mediocre captain. I got a fish on, I think. It's just acting odd. Might not be a rockfish. Might be something different. Oh, I do have a fish. Okay, it's just a rockfish. It's just acting weird. that was weird. All right. Yep. And looks like another copper for me. Okay. Nice copper. Got a very nice copper rockfish. Only keep one in California. What? Don't you yell at me. But yeah, you only keep one in California, one copper. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one. So we're on the way to the harbor. So, and we're actually pretty close. That's been a pretty fun day. Not a whole lot of fish, but it's been fun.
Whatever.
All right, we are on Capitola Wharf with my boy Noah. And we're about to take a boat, huh?
I want fishy.
Yeah, oh, I want fishy too. We're about to go for halibut on a rental boat at the end of the dock. A little bit choppy out there. A little foggy. It should make for a good day. Halibut are biting. I want to make some ceviche, man. So, all right. We're gonna get the boats loaded up and be on the water.
I'm just saying, lower your expectation.
No! Haha! That's something big on there. Yep. Yep. Probably a big old ling cod. This is a live croaker. If it's still on. Yeah, oh yeah, he's on. Whatever the heck it is. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and say yes.
Ling.
Oh yeah, it's a ling. Yep, got a ling. Yeah, it's a keeper. Yeah, that's a keeper. Oh, shit. Yeah,
I don't
definitely. Get the net. Get the net.
Keeper.
Get the net.
Bull flip it. That's not a keeper.
It might be.
That's not a keeper.
Might be.
Bull flip it. We lose it, we lose it.
Regardless. Sick. Oh yeah, that's in his gut.
That guy's small.
Sick.
Hey, thanks for putting him on my...
Yeah, he's nice. Not humongous. There be a ling cod. Sick. All right, measure him up. Just double check. Probably gonna release him. He's not that big. We ball. Woo. All right, ling cod going back. 21 3/4. Not a keeper. That's okay. There it goes. You see your line. I mean, it's going. For sure. You can check my phone if you want. Go for it.
The other one come off?
Yeah, he came off. I know. You sure there's a fish on this?
Yeah. He's on your line.
A good brown.
No, he's not.
Oh, right.
Oh,
Pretty good brown.
what's that next to it? Is that another one?
No, that was just a squid. That was the head of my squid.
He's small.
Sick.
Let him go.
Oh, look how blue that one is.
Oh, you want me to get them off for you?
You want to get him?
Yeah, bring 'em in.
All right.
Careful.
Woo!
I like trouble going this.
Big old.
Just do it. Just
Yeah, I will.
get it out.
Ooh. Big old brown. Hell yeah. Ooh. Got heavy getting closer to the top. Yeah, it's a ling. Sick. About the same size. You want to get the net? No, he's not hooked very well. Yeah, he's not very big.
He's smaller than the last.
He is smaller than the last one, which is fine. You know what? Hey, Ling's a Ling. I knew it was a Ling because it like hit it, didn't take it, hit it, didn't take it. All right. Oh, there he goes. Well, that wasn't a graceful release. Well, welcome back, everyone. It is a foggy morning, but I am out here on the Pacific Ocean looking for halibut, rockfish, all kinds of stuff. Really whatever will bite that's in the ocean out here. I'm out of Santa Cruz, California with my friend Noah. He's a little bit ahead of me right now. He's already starting to troll, but I'm really, really excited for today. What I'm using right now is called a bounce ball rig, where I have an 8-ounce weight with about 2.5 feet a leader to a dodger. I have a glow dodger right here, and to the squid hoochie. Just trolling it behind me, no bait connected to the hoochie itself, just the action. And halibut and rockfish really like the action of this when it's down closer to the bottom. And I'm gonna drop all the way down, then crank it up a couple cranks because the Pacific Ocean is very rocky. It can be very unforgiving if you get caught into a rock because there's tons and tons of structure out there. So, but yeah, I'm gonna get the lines down and get the trolling here in just a second. All right, let's see if we can find something today. Noah's got something on. As soon as he dropped over here.
Be a bot.
Be a bot.
Doesn't feel like a bot.
No, maybe like a rockfish.
It's a brown.
It's a big old brown.
It's a small brown.
He's got a big old brown rockfish. Nice.
There's a ton of bait. I'm marking like walls of bait.
Nice. I'm on to something here. Probably just a rockfish. Yeah, looks like a rockfish. What we got? It's yeah, it's a little brown. That's on the chartreuse hoochie. There we go. Woo. These are like little, they're like bass in the ocean. You can lip them. So, fat lip. Corner of the mouth hooked. Squid hoochie. One last look at this guy. All right, he's going down. I'm not keeping any rockfish. I'm kind of going more for halibut. There he goes. There's a mola over here. Guys, check this out. This is so sick. Hold on. Just sitting on the surface. Just hanging out. What a cool giant right there. That is so sick. Haha. You never know what you're gonna see out in the ocean, man. That's cool. What I do, because there's so many rocks and snags out in the Pacific Ocean out where I'm fishing, so, which, I mean, just the fish like that because of the structure, I just drop down all the way to the bottom, then crank it up about 3 cranks to kind of keep it maybe 5 to 10 feet off the bottom, just to make sure, you know, it's close enough to where the fish are going to see it and come up and try to bite it, but you don't get snagged, which you will get snagged at some point or another, just because it, you know, those rocks can rise much higher than that. But if you're careful, you can definitely try to avoid it. So, or at least do the best you can to avoid it. Yeah, it's fun. So many different kinds of fish you can catch, so many different species out here. Ocean fishing, you never know what you're gonna get when you drop down. Come on, I'm on to a good fish. Yep, that's a good fish. Oh yeah. What we got here? Ooh, probably a big ling. Hopefully it's a big one. Come on. Let's see what we got. Yeah, it looks like a ling cod. I don't know how big it is yet. It's a ling cod. Okay. Oh yeah, he's okay. He's not a big boy. Put up a good fight though. He's not well hooked. Let's see if I can put him in the boat. There we go. Cool. All right, let's see if I can unhook him. They got some sharp chompers. That's a ling cod right there, right in the corner of his lip. Nice little fight. They have to be 22 inches to keep. This one's not a huge one, so I'm not going to keep this. So definitely keep bigger than this. Cool. I'm going to calm down for a second. Oh, he is spitting up his dinner. He's got an octopus. Cool fish. Cool fish right there. Nice sea dragon. All right, buddy. Well, I'll go ahead and release him. Right down to the bottom. Oh, and he spit up his octopus. That's sick. That's really cool. All right, that was cool. Nice.
Pedaling.
Got a good fish.
Gotta keep pedaling.
Oh no. Oh, dang, dude.
Why you gotta keep pedaling?
Yeah.
Stop pedaling. That's what happens.
Oh, I got a big fish on. He ran to a rock though. Probably a big old ling. Oh. Yeah, I did. Got him out. Let's go. Big old fish. Yes, it is. Okay, this might be a good ling, hopefully, or a big rockfish. That run was insane. Are you kidding me? What? What? It's a brown. That run was so crazy for a brown, dude. Wow. Yeah, I mean, my drag is loose enough to where, you know, whatever can run, but that's insane. Wow, what for a rockfish though, and a brown, that's probably the best fight I've had on a brown ever. That's insane. All right, well, that was, woo. There, he got off the hook. That was sick. Thanks, buddy. Nice big brown. That's a good fish right there. Very nice fish. Big old lip, like a bass. You know, I may actually keep this fish. He fought pretty good, so. All right, I think I will. Yeah, cool. And that was on a swim bait I've been trolling around. This white paddle tail Kitech. Sick, that's awesome. All right, let's see if we can do that again. Sick. I don't think it's very big. It's just probably, if it's even on there, it's so small. Yeah, it is. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, hold up. That's a black. That's not a bad one though. Still, that's sick. That's just, oh, it's cool that I even caught one. So I guess there's a school a little bit higher up. Sick. Or is it a blue? No, whatever it is.
That's a black.
Was it a black? That was sick. All right, away from the crab trap.